haka audition nei benta wojit ya ki bachim benta haka Miss Universe Meghalaya araja arphonru waka Miss Teen Meghalaya araja arphonru wada penman haka chipau tri uni ubanai ha hol ketempang yaw musyang Jowai the one wo chim benta kendengut ki khyllood kerilum Jaiñtia wo penyo ye sap hakam gani gaja yakob wedaman gale kasin benengkong wada penman ka ha Jowai Haganik audition kini ki khyllood daya lai ki le kala hei wa ka kala wanang kong to ka introduction round ka kala wa arway ka wale wan da bu lang wa ki yukali yakini ki bachim benta hei ya kalam wa state director yang gani ka Miss Universe Meghalaya ubren en walang da pentip wa da sedang ya ka audition natura ha ka nyaw tering ha ka chpau tarik wan ha Jowai wa khatso tarik wan daw penman ha Shillong Hagi niki audition wada dep ongu ki bachim benta da le bahagi katkam i bor waye we yulutiu wa ki khyllood na kani ka thain upoi ki wo mi khmat hagri India we wo mi khmat le hakran san chabari hak audition ko wadaw man ha Shillong do yulutiu warap bon bahagi bachim benta ne bhatip wa ha Shillong bon ki khyllood pure ki wanarilum Jaiñtia wagaro da pentip wa ka final audition uman go ha ka chitrik banai me we chwai te daw em ka training wa khat arsngi ya ki bacha jin hei wa daw sikai ya ki ha ki benta wa pher yolutiu dei wa yo sikai ki hei kalam ikhana la daman ki ba job na remle daw yarap hi ko ya ki hei im ba chakmat hei thukhi thukre chu ongu ka ni kran san man go ka biang tam ya ki khon khyllood uyo man sin gi we dei wa le bha ki ya ide ye won ki wo pun yo le chaka prathai wa ka Meghalaya ka yika Neliang utay hing district coordinator pensingau ikmen wada ye penman ye kani ka audition haki thawo pher ka jala ne baha da yarap open duna ye lut isep ki khon khyllood kamjo ki bay ki pa yong ki dei wa mahap de ulai jngai kam wa man gani ka audition ha Jowai da man go wa jom yuluti wani ni chakmat gani kran san ne benta ki khon khyllood wa em ka thang ulai chakmat uyo benta langki
thank you so much for the question. In my experience and in my view, most of the movie in our state, it's like a labor. It will never make you rich. So, and I noticed the difference in Bollywood is that if you get one contract, it can give you a lifetime job by starting a business with the money that you get from that movie. So, being in a pageant, I see that it can pave a way to the film industries because many beauty queens from Northeast itself, they have been in the Bollywood movie, for example, like Shum Dharan, and also there's so like take the example like Pema Leilani from Meghalaya itself. She have been in a reality show, and then she have been working with so many brands in Meghalaya. And the reason is that because it can give me more opportunities. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon, esteemed judges. I am Wyrta Kamal Wan, 18 years old from Jowai. I have recently completed my HSSLC examination in the commerce stream from St. Mary's Higher Secondary School, Shillong. I am really passionate about cooking, writing, modeling, and reading. My advocacy is protection for women and empowering youth. As a businesswoman, I feel like it is my priority to look after the employment rate of Meghalaya, especially with the issues of unemployment. And also, I feel that every woman deserves to feel protected, especially we in India, we have a high case of women feeling unsafe in community, in streets. I want to combat that problem, and if I win this ground, I know I can do it with that responsibility that comes with it. Thank you.
Greetings to one and all. I am Jaiñtia Hills from Wyrta, West Jaiñtia Hills district, and currently abiding in Shillong. I am 23 years young. I work as a member of one of the choir in Shillong, that is the Quivers Chamber Choir Shillong. It's been a year since I last joined a pageant. I had competed twice in Miss Meghalaya, and each experience it has taught me how to be more resilient and more confident. And I want this pageant to mark my fresh start. Thank you.
My name is Wyrta and I am from Miss Jaiñtia Hills, 19 years of age, currently pursuing my Bachelor degree of Arts at Don Bosco College, PTND. I like reading, traveling, writing and modeling, and I I aspire to become a successful independent woman and a psychologist. And I'm very passionate about pageantry. As a passionate for advocating for women's empowerment, my purpose is to stand for justice, fairness, and inspire others.
Thank you for your question. One thing that is unique about myself is that I strive to be as authentic as I can. And I think that is quite hard to find in this generation where you try to be another person. So I'll say that's one thing you would find unique in me. If you ask me about your dresses or anything, I would give you the hard truth. So that is one truth, which I think would really help in this pageant as well, because it needs the true authenticity and awareness to address issues and how to tackle them. Thank you.
Siau komen ini kesini, uman lek kawi kam ka history haka Jaiñtia gyong i, bon gi pageant gi uman hakalan gi bentahan rai MUM audition gi hapo Jaiñtia. Nga kau district coordinator de kalam state director to yo yalai chatura yo yalai Jaiñtia Hills. Kam tam lek yai lut isep ki khana yo lek ki lut de walai gi shalong te poi gi haini te mot rap suk ki bai gi pa ye jing lut le. Siau komen ni da wan lang kinapo ki team yang i na shalong em gani ka state ko di aga district coordinator na po tura le dem lang ko i the one gini gi participant kat ni le da siau komen hi da man ne ka singi ko job yo luti ni chakaman kani ka stage le ni ka platform ye gini gi khandro gi khyllood ki daw lai chakamat yo banta lang gi kuble chibon.
Well, for the Miss Universe Meghalaya, we started the auditions in Tura. That was on Saturday, where we had a good number of participants and it went off really well. And today we are so proud and privileged to be here in Jowai. And I must say, the auditions are over now, but the girls did such a good job. I was so impressed. And I really wish that the girls from this region will be able to represent India nationally and then go to the international stage. Yeah, that's what I want. The next audition will be in Shillong on Saturday. And we hope to see many more participants because I know in Shillong there are many students from Jaiñtia Hills and from Garo Hills who will be participating. And I wish them all the very best too. Well, the finale of this competition will be on the 1st of May. But before that, we are going to have a 12-day training period, a grooming period, where we wish our girls will be trained in every aspect. Because I believe that learning to speak well, your communication skills are very important. And whether they win or not, after this training period, I know that they will be able to get jobs, whether it's got to do with hospitality, whether it's got to be at interviews. I know they will be able to do well. And our organization, basically, why we got into this is because this is a really good platform for our young girls to be inspired, to speak well, to present themselves well, and also to show the world what Meghalaya is made of.